So I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 5mm crochet hook. You can, with medium worsted, you can use between 5 and 6mm crochet hook. You can go larger if you want, depends on your project, up to 7mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. One double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So this is my first V-stitch. I'm gonna chain 3. In the previous V-stitch, I'm gonna make a double V-stitch. So means double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, first V-stitch, and again double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, another V-stitch. So this is the first increase. I'm gonna chain 3 and turn. Now I've got the 2 V-stitches and the spaces. Oops. So yeah, so the V-stitch here and here. So I'm gonna work a double V-stitch in the previous V-stitch. That means 2 V-stitches in the previous V-stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, that's 1 V-stitch, and the second V-stitch in the same one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. That's 2 V-stitch, and in the next or previous V-stitch another single V-stitch this time, and a double crochet in the last space, which was the chain 3. Okay. So I'm gonna chain 3, and again I've got the V-stitch over here, not in the, oops, I've got the V-stitch over here, not in the previous space, the chain 1 space. Again I'm gonna work a double V-stitch, means 1 V-stitch and another V-stitch. And in the next V-stitch, a single V-stitch. And in the next V-stitch, a single V-stitch. And a double crochet in the last chain 3 space. So this is how the increase is going on so far. We continue the same way. Chain 3 and a double V-stitch, means 2 V-stitches in the previous V-stitch. And okay, 1 V-stitch, the last V-stitch, chain 1 and double crochet in the last space. Again chain 3 and a double V-stitch in the next V-stitch. So we're working the V-stitches only in the previous ones, in the previous V-stitches, not in between them. I hope it's clear. We continue, and the increase is happening only in the beginning of each row. We start with chain 3 and then we do the double V-stitch in the first V-stitch, not in the spaces. And double crochet in the last space. So here I'm done with 5 rows of the V-stitch triangle, and now we're gonna proceed to see how we turn it into the corner to corner square. It's similar to the corner to corner granny square. However, in this pattern we make a decrease only on one side, not on two sides. If you're familiar with the corner to corner granny square, or you have watched the video I posted, we do the decrease on both sides until we are left with one cluster only. But in this one it's only one side decrease because we did only one side increase in the beginning. So we'll see. We start by chaining 3 and I'm gonna work a V-stitch in the previous V-stitches, like the chain 1 spaces, until the last one where I'll show you what we're gonna do. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the previous V-stitch and in every V-stitch. And here I've got 2 V-stitches left. I'm gonna work a V-stitch over this one. And I'm gonna skip this one, the last V-stitch, and make a double crochet in the previous chain 3 space. And this is our first decrease. It doesn't look clear so far, but as you go further you'll see how it shapes into the corner to corner. So we're gonna do the same till the end of this project. I'm gonna chain 3 again. I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch in each V-stitch and skip the last one, and repeat till I'm left with 1 V-stitch only. So I'm gonna go through every row with you so you can see how it decreases. Don't forget to look at the written pattern if you need to. And the last one we skip, and a double crochet in the last stitch. This is the second decrease. And again a V-stitch in the previous V-stitch. and the last V-stitch, 1 double crochet. We are left with 3 now, so the next row it's gonna be only 2 left. Chain 3 and V-stitch and another V-stitch. I'm sure you like the V-stitch like me. It's just a different version, or it's a different stitch than the granny square, and you can do the same project with it. And the last one we skip and a double crochet, 2, and then the row before the last we're gonna make 1 V-stitch here, and we will skip this one and a double crochet, and then chain 3 and 1 double crochet in the last chain, and that's it. You fasten off. So you make your triangle or corner to corner square as big as you want. This is just a demonstration on how to make it, and then this is the end of it, and this is how you get the corner to corner V-stitch square. Exactly, all similar to the corner to corner granny square. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.